Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Shelley's Creation. I'm absolutely thrilled to have you here as we embark on another exciting tutorial. Today, I'll share some straightforward, super fast project ideas you all love. So let's save time and dive right in. These projects are all about simplicity and speed, making them perfect for beginners or anyone needing a quick and enjoyable creative outlet. You can complete each project in just 10 minutes, giving you the satisfaction of seeing results quickly and the real sense of accomplishment you can be proud of. So get ready, to excited and motivated as you embark on this super fast project. Get ready to unleash your creativity and have a blast as we explore these simple yet exciting ideas together. Let's dive in and have some serious fun with these projects. But before we dive in, I want to welcome all the newcomers to my channel. If you are enjoying the content, remember to hit the subscribe button. Sharing this with your friends would also mean a lot to me, and it will help you all stay updated easily without having to search for me on your feed. And remember, sharing your creations with the community is a great way to connect and inspire others. I'd love to see what you come up with on our Facebook page. You can share your creations and inspire others. Now, let's discuss the details of the materials we all use for this incredible project. I'll walk you through each item you'll need to ensure you are fully prepared. First, let's gather the tools for our creative adventure. You will need 3 vibrant colors of medium or 4 colored yarn, a hook size F or 3.75 millimeter, a ring or hoop size 2 inches in diameter, a yarn needle, 2 pieces of beads with a hole in the center, a glue gun and a glue stick that is optional. And once you got this, you are fully prepared and ready to roll. Let's get started on our exciting project. Let's start by gathering our ring, hook, and a first color of yarn. Then we all begin with a slip knot and make 30 single crochets to cover the ring. We all then slip stitch on the first single crochet to cover this row. On the second row, let's make a chain of 20 or 25 for hanging purposes only. But remember that chain length is up to you and what makes you comfortable. Then we'll go back to the first chain and make a slip stitch. Cut the yarn freely and secure the yarn at the back. Grab the second color of your yarn and create a slip knot. Then, look at the first chain next to the hanging chain and make 3 chains. After that, skip 1 chain and slip stitch to the next chain. Next, chain 3, skip 1 chain and slip stitch to the following chain. Repeat this sequence until you reach the last stitch of this row. Then we all move on the next steps. Now that I have 2 chains left, let's continue the process. Then slip stitch on chain 3 and last slip stitch to the first chain. Make sure the hanging thread is at the back, then cut the yarn, secure at the back and sew at the side. This time, we are going to work on a bow. Start with 30 chains. This bow is straightforward to make. All we need here is to create a chain of 30, then slip stitches in every chain until we get to the first chain of our work. Once we are done here, tie up both ends and cut the extra yarn. Now with the yarn color, let's cut around 8 to 10 inches to tie on a bow. Then fold it into half to look at the center. Make sure that you make it even and length for the next steps. Then grab the other thread to wrap the bow like this. Then get your base and we will put the bow on the lower part of the hanging thread and sew it or use hot glue to fix it. Make sure the loose thread is on the front also. This time, grab the beads and assemble them right to the center of the ring. Lastly, cut the thread and use hot glue to ensure the thread untangles to keep the beads in place. Then let it cool. Now you have a new ornaments that is ready to use. I hope you guys enjoyed this super easy video tutorial for today. Once again, remember to share our videos and feel free to comment below to share your experience with these tutorials. With these simple and quick projects, you have created something beautiful and unique. Have a blessed day, everyone. See you on my next video.